Have you ever wanted to use WhatsApp on your computer without opening it in your web browser? If yes, let's get started. Okay, so first, you need to have the BlueStack application. And if you still don't have this application, you can check it on the description. So let's open this BlueStack. Okay. Once you open it, you need to click on the System Apps, and then you'll see here the Play Store. Click on it. Once you click on the Play Store, it will ask you to log in your Gmail account, so you need to sign in first. Once you sign in, all you need to do is to search for these WhatsApp. Okay, let's just wait for it. Alright, so here we go. Click on install. Of course, we need to wait for the installation to complete. Alright, so once the installation is complete, you can just click on Open. If this pops up, you can just click on Skip. Alright, so once the WhatsApp opens, you need to scan the QR code using your Android or your iPhone or the login. You need to click on Agree and Continue. Hurry. So you need to put your phone number on this, and once you put the phone number, you should be able to receive the one-time PIN. Okay, so that's it. Your WhatsApp is not ready to use in your computer. And if this video saves you some time, you can just hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.